Hi, I'm Paddy, and this is how to top up your windscreen fluid. Let's get into it. First up, make sure your car is parked on a flat surface and the engine is switched off. Pop the bonnet and secure it properly with the support rod. Now look for the windscreen washer reservoir. It usually has a cap with a windscreen symbol on it. And if you're not sure, check your car's manual just to be safe. Give the cap a wipe with a clean rag to stop any dirt falling into the tank, then pop it open. If it's low or completely empty, you'll want to fill it up. Add your windscreen cleaner to the reservoir, then add the correct amount of water following the instructions on the product. Just make sure it's designed for windscreen use. Don't use regular household products. Once it's full, pop the cap back on securely, lower the bonnet and give it a quick test. And there you have it. One quick job that makes a real difference on the road. If you liked this video, make sure to check out our other instructional guides. We've got plenty of DIY advice online to help tackle your next project with confidence.